Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered what happens if you use olive oil every day? Let's find out together. Here's what typically happens when you start eating olive oil regularly. Heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol levels. This can lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Anti-inflammatory effects. Olive oil contains compounds like oleocanthal, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases like arthritis and certain cancers. Better skin health. The healthy fats and antioxidants in olive oil can nourish your skin from the inside out. It may help maintain skin elasticity, reduce inflammation associated with conditions like acne and eczema, and protect against UV damage. Brain health. Some research suggests that the monounsaturated fats in olive oil may have neuroprotective effects, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Weight management. Despite being calorie dense, olive oil can actually help with weight management when consumed in moderation. Its healthy fats can increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Blood sugar regulation. Olive oil has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Including olive oil in your meals may help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Nutrient absorption. Adding olive oil to your meals can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, as well as certain antioxidants. Improved digestion. Olive oil can aid in digestion by stimulating the production of bile and digestive enzymes, making it easier for the body to break down food and absorb nutrients. It can also have a mild laxative effect, helping to prevent constipation. Joint health. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties can be beneficial for those with arthritis or joint pain. It helps to lubricate the joints and reduce inflammation, potentially reducing pain and stiffness over time. Potential risks or considerations. Calorie intake. Olive oil is high in calories, about 120 calories per tablespoon. Consuming too much can lead to weight gain if not balanced within an overall healthy diet. Quality matters. The quality of olive oil is important. Extra virgin olive oil is minimally processed and retains more nutrients and health benefits, while refined or lower quality oils may lack these properties. Optimal daily intake. Most research suggests that around 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil per day is optimal for reaping the health benefits without overdoing it on calories. Lastly, if you are taking medications like blood thinners, check with your doctor before increasing your olive oil intake. Olive oil has mild blood thinning effects, so it's good to be sure it's safe for you.